In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master subitems in Monday.com, a skill that can significantly boost your project management efficiency. Let's dive right in to make sure you have every step covered comprehensively and clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. If you're like many of us, you probably have an account already. So go ahead and click on the Login button located prominently on the top right of the page. If you prefer using single sign-on, click on the Google option and select your Google account from the list. It's a quick and secure way to access your workspace without the hassle of remembering yet another password. Once you're in, look towards the left panel on your screen. This is where you'll find a list of all your boards, your project's control center, so to speak. Scroll through and click on the board you're working with. This directs you straight to the table where your items are organized. And trust me, this area is pivotal for managing tasks efficiently. Now it's time to create subitems, an essential feature when you need to break down your tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Find the specific item you want to expand on and click on the drop-down menu. This action allows you to start adding subitems effortlessly. Next, you need to name your subitem. It could be anything related to your main task that requires attention. Make the title clear and descriptive, as this will help you and your team understand what needs to be done at a glance. Once you've added a title, the next step is to add more details to your subitem. This area is where you can jot down important information, deadlines, or specific instructions pertinent to the subtasks. The more detail you provide, the easier it will be for anyone involved to grasp the task's requirements. With the subitem created, take a moment to click on the Status column. Here, you can update the progress of your subtask. It's a handy tool to keep everyone in the loop without needing a separate update meeting. Colorful status indicators can quickly convey whether a task is on track, delayed, or completed. Finally, a crucial step, track the subitem's progress on the main item. Click on Show Summary on Parent Item. This feature summarizes all subitem statuses directly onto the parent item, offering a snapshot of progress at a glance. It's perfect for keeping team members informed and the project momentum going. And that's how you master subitems in Monday.com. By following these steps, you create a streamlined process for managing complex projects, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thank you for joining, and I hope you found this guide helpful for enhancing your project management skills.